Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see how to create table in MySQL and how to drop a table in MySQL. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. In my previous video we have seen how to create database, how to drop a database, and how you can see the list of all the databases. So in previous video I have created one database with the name Letsfindcourse, and in today's video we are going to see how to create table. I have opened MySQL PHP MyAdmin, in which I have created the Letsfindcourse database, and that we are going to create a table. So the syntax for the creating the table is create table and the table name. The table name you can put according to yourself. Inside that there will be a column and you have to declare the data type. The column name you can put according to you, and the data type will be for according to the column. If you are putting number like ID, then you can give data type as an integer. If you are giving name, first name, last name, then you have to put the data type as varchar. So in this way you have to declare the data type also, and you have to declare the column names also. For example, I am referring the table name as LFC. The column name first will be my ID and data type will be int. The second column will be my first name and the data type will be varchar, and I should define the length of that varchar is that will be a 30, and the last column 3 will be last name and the data type will be varchar. So as you can see, I have defined the 3 columns with ID, first name, last name. ID is of int type, first name is varchar, and last name is also varchar. So the table name is LFC, and I have defined the 3 columns. Now when I go with this query, you can see the table will be created. So when I open my Letsfindcourse database, you can see one table inside that is of LFC. So in this way you can create a table and you can see the column name ID, first name, last name. So there will be no record because we haven't inserted any record yet, so it will be a blank only. So after inserting that record, you can see the record over here also. So in this way you can create a table in MySQL. Now we will learn how to drop a table. Now to drop a table, the syntax of dropping a table is a drop table and the table name. Table name is the name of the table that you want to drop or you want to delete. Suppose I have created that only one table over here, that is LFC, so I will put the table name as LFC. So in this we are going to drop the table LFC. So when I go with this query, it will give you that do you only want to execute drop table, because drop table is very crucial query. So before firing this query, you have to figure out if you really want to drop this table, and if you try to drop table, then the data inside the table will be deleted, whole table will be deleted, and all the records will be deleted and whole data will be gone. So before firing this query, it will give alert message that do you really want to drop the table LFC. We will give it as okay, and you can see inside the Letsfindcourse there will be no table. So in this way you can drop the table also. So in this way you can create a table, you can drop the table. The syntax I have shown, you can try this into your localhost PHP MyAdmin and you can see how it's work. This video which give you basic information regarding how to create table, how to drop a table inside the database. We have already created Letsfindcourse database. Inside that we have created a table name with LFC and we have dropped the table. So this is basic video regarding create and drop table. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.